Over the last few months, I have literally made over $33,000 on my funded account that I have with the Funded Trader program. And in last 28 days, I only traded for few days, but I was able to make more than $17,500 in the same account. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I made $17,500 in last 4 weeks. And we are also going to do a live withdrawal, and I will walk you through step by step on how we need to make a withdrawal request and get paid after making money on the Funded Trader program funded account. And in this video, I'm also going to tell you how you can get 100% free access to my mentorship course and my private traders community, where I will be helping you become funded trader and make money on your funded account just like the way I make money on my funded account. So let's get into this video. So for the proof, you can see that this is the live account that I have with the Funded Trader program, and I have over $417,500 balance in my account, and the $17,500 is basically the profits that I made over the last 4 weeks. Now as you can see that I got deposited the total amount of $400,000 on 12th of July, and I started trading on this account on 18th of July, and since that day I have made a lot of trades. I lost some amount, I made some amount, and at the end I have made total $33,338 profit. Now that is the overall profit that I have made, and I have also made a total withdrawal of $15,800 so far. But if we look at my recent profits that I made, and I can show you that here as well, you can see that the profits that I have made in last 3 to 4 weeks are basically $17,523, and I will be getting 80% profit share to me just like always, and my payout will be $14,018. And you can also see some of the proof from here that I first got my payout of $7,700, and then I got a payout of $4,952, and now I am eligible to make a withdrawal request of over $14,000. Now let's first look at the account history, and I'm gonna show you when did I start trading after my second payout and how many trades I did, what was the average amount that I lost, and what was the average profit that I made. So after getting my second payout from the Funded Trader program, I placed my first trade on 19th of September, which is basically around 24 days ago. So I placed my first trade, and I could not really make any money on my first 2 trades. But after that, I made a little over $1,300. Then I made $684 on the trade that I did on 21st of September, and I took a buy position on gold. Right after that trade, I took a buy position on gold again, but with 7 standard lot, and I made $1,300. Then after that, there are some losses. I lost over $2,300 in one trade, and then I lost over $1,500 in one trade. And after these losses, you can see that I literally adjusted my risk and I started risking less, and that is why I made a little less as well. So after these 2 profits, when I made $600 and then $500, you can see that on the same day, because now I am over trading, I have already placed 4 or 5 trades. I made some money, I lost some money, and then I over risked and I ended up losing $5,000, and I also placed the same trade right after that, and I ended up making around $5,000. So basically after the whole over trading on 21st of September, I was kind of at break even. So after some time, you can see that after 21st of September, I only took one trade on GBP USD for the sell side, and it was a quick scalp session, and I made around $2,000. And then I made a little over $3,700 on the gold position that I took a sell on 23rd of September. And after that, I placed a trade on 28th of September. So basically I took a total gap of 5 days, and I made few losses and then one profit, which was around $2,000, and then $580 profit. So on 28th of September, there were some losses and one profit. Then on 7th of October, this month, few days ago, I only made $580, and then today, 13th of October, I made $5,900 on the gold sell that I did from here to here, and then I made $6,300 as well. So it's basically the overall account history that I have showed you, and I wanted to let you know that how there are some losses and profits always when you are trading. Sometimes you will lose, sometimes you will make, but at the end, if your profits are more than your losses, then you are good trader, you are making money, you are making profits, you are making withdrawals. So that is a good thing for every single trader. Now let's talk about how you can get free access to my mentorship course and then to my private traders community as well, where I share daily trade ideas, where I make trade breakdown videos, weekly market analysis, and we also do monthly webinars. So all you have to do is you have to take at least $100,000 challenge account from the recommended firms that I have provided in the description. You only need to take $100,000 challenge account using my link that I have added in the description, and you're good to go. You just have to send me a screenshot of the purchase of taking at least $100,000 challenge account that you will do using my link, and you have to send that to my email address, which is falcontrader007@gmail.com. After that, I will add you to my mentorship course, and I will also add you to my private traders community. Now let's make a withdrawal, and we will see how does the withdrawal process actually work here at the Funded Trader program. Okay, so we are now inside the dashboard, and I am eligible to get $14,000 out of $17,500 that I made. Let's click on the request button, and once we do that, it is asking us to enter the amount. So I'm gonna put $17,523 right here, 0.59 cents as well, and we're gonna select deal because I think it is the best way to get paid from the prop firms. So if we just click on the deal, it is asking me to enter my email address, which is falcontrader007@gmail.com, where you have to send me the proof of your purchase that you will do using my link that I have added in the description. It's the same email address, and if we click on generate passcode, it is asking us to enter one-time passcode that has been sent to my email address. So after entering the passcode, we are just gonna click on the submit button, and then the payout request will be submitted, and I will then get a confirmation email as well from the Funded Trader program. So let's click on the submit button, and you can see now that I can no longer click on the request option because I have already submitted the request. And here we can see that I just received an email that your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. The payout specialist will send a payout confirmation to your email. Once the withdrawal request has been received, you must reply to the payout confirmation email to receive your payout. Please allow 3 business days to receive your payout. Weekends and holidays are not business days. Business days include Monday to Friday, USA Eastern Standard Time. Please take note, your payout will be processed and sent by the close of the day. And here are the details. The withdrawal amount $17,523.59, and my payout will be $14,000, and the status is pending review. And now I'm gonna just wait to get the amount into my deal account, which will take around 3 to 4 days from now. Alright guys, so it is day 3 since I requested my payout from the Funded Trader program, and I have received the $14,000 payment in my deal account, and now I'm gonna make a withdrawal from my deal account to the Wise account. So here you can see the total balance that I have right now in my deal account is $14,471. So basically I received 2 payments. I was due to get my affiliate payout as well, which is $452, and I then received my funded account payout, which is $14,018. And you can see that I received this amount from the Funded Trader LLC, and I received this $14,000 on 17th of October. Now if we just click on the withdraw button, we can see that it is now asking us that how much money we want to make a withdrawal and what is the payout method that we would like to make a withdrawal from deal to that account. So I'm gonna choose my Wise wallet for the US dollar account, and I'm gonna click on the withdraw button with the total amount of $14,471. If I click on withdraw, it is asking me for the confirmation, and the estimated arrival will be 18th of October. So let's just click on confirm, and now you can see that the withdrawal is processing. The withdrawal amount is $14,471.60, and I am due to get this amount by 18th of October. But I'm pretty sure that I will be receiving this amount in next 4 to 5 minutes from deal to my Wise account. So that was the complete process of me making a withdrawal request of $17,500 from the Funded Trader program, and then getting my 80% of the profit share, which was $14,000. If you want to become a profitable funded trader, you can literally get 100% free mentorship, not only my trading course, but also free access to my traders community as well. And you can learn from me, you can make money just like the way I am making money on my funded accounts, and there will be no charges. All you have to do is you have to take at least $100,000 account from the links that I have provided in the description. Once you do that, you can simply just get free access to my mentorship course and to my traders community. So I hope that this video is motivational enough for you to join the funding program to become a profitable funded trader and make money on your funded account, just like we funded traders do. So let me know what are your thoughts on this. Let me know if you have any question as well in the comment section. So thank you for watching guys. I am looking forward to seeing you in my mentorship course and in my community as well. Bye for now. Peace out.